Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable on-screen keyboard or virtual keyboard on macOS Mojave. Click Apple icon in menu bar. Click System Preferences. Click Keyboard. Click the checkbox named Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewers in menu bar. Click Show Keyboard Viewer. On-screen keyboard appearing. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.